In the misty highlands of Scotland, there's a legend so chilling, villagers once guarded their dead from it. They called it the Cat Sith, a massive black cat with glowing eyes and a single white patch on its chest. But this wasn't just a cat. It was a soul thief. Highlanders believed that if the Cat Sith passed over a corpse before burial, it would steal the soul forever. To stop it, families kept vigil through the night, playing music, burning herbs, and distracting the beast with riddles. Some say it was a witch in her ninth life. Others say it was a spirit from the fairy realm, cursing those who forgot to leave milk out during Samhain. Whether myth or monster, one thing's for sure: if you ever see a glowing-eyed cat in the Highland fog, don't blink. Watch now on Storynado, where legends come back to life.